High-grade galvanized steel as main material, non-deforming, fadeless, moisture-proof and anti-corrosive. Strong close fitting, high symmetry, high load capacity, easy and fast installation, save installing time and labor cost. Delicate edge and calmer treatment. Manual polishing does not hurt hand, do not hurt ting. Visible quality. Large production line and strict product inspection. Larger quantity and better quality are available. Please contact us if you are interested in ceiling grid.